Hey there, folks. Sweetmind here. And today we're diving deep into the intricate workings of the human mind. Get ready to unlock the secrets of psychology and discover how you can make that special someone completely obsessed with you. But before we begin, I have a little request for you. If you enjoy this video and want to see more relationship and dating wisdom, do me a solid favor and smash that like button. And subscribe to the channel to help us grow our community. Imagine this scenario. You're engaged in a stimulating conversation with a new acquaintance, and the sparks are flying. The connection is electric, and things are going exceptionally well. But then, just as the anticipation reaches its peak, you suddenly excuse yourself and vanish from sight. Boom! A void is left in her heart, an unexpected longing. You see, addiction stems from a sense of yearning, from missing something or someone. And that's precisely what this move achieves. So, allow me to introduce the vanishing act. When the chemistry is sizzling, make your exit. This works like magic in various settings. Be it a vibrant nightclub, a buzzing party, or even during brief encounters at work or school. Timing is everything. Slip away when the energy is at its zenith, leaving her with an insatiable desire for more. Emotional space. Now, here's a brilliant technique that requires minimal effort. Emotional space. Create distance between you and the girl, as if she were a delightful yet secondary part of your life. You can achieve this by taking longer to respond to her messages, or simply subtly reducing your everyday interactions. By doing so, you make her question herself. She wonders why your attention has waned. Thoughts swirl in her mind, planting the seeds of obsession. The push-pull. The push-pull approach, a remarkable strategy that works wonders, especially on women who are accustomed to having men fawn over them. You know the type. Confident, unapproachable women who are masters of rejection. They've grown accustomed to their power and privileges. But here's the key. When you become the one person they can't easily win over, it awakens something within them. Just like a spoiled child who can have any toy in the store. Except for the one specific toy, they become infatuated with that forbidden item. So, if you encounter a woman who rejects men left and right, push her away. Show yourself as unattainable, distinct from the sea of needy suitors. This will fuel her desire for your attention and make her obsessed with winning you over. Inflaming competition. Picture this: a woman witnesses other women vying for your affection. She can't help but find you irresistibly attractive. The mere thought of losing you to another woman ignites a fiery competition within her, unleashing her obsession. So, how do you create competition anxiety? It's simple. Surround yourself with female friends. Or subtly let her know that you have female admirers. The more women she sees competing for your attention, the stronger her drive becomes to win you over. The intriguing rival. A classic move in the art of seduction. Here's how it works. Subtly mention another woman in your conversations with her and speak glowingly of her qualities. Instantly, that woman becomes a potential threat in her eyes. Now, let me delve into the psychology behind this technique. Women possess a natural instinct to compete for men's attention. When you highlight another woman's positive traits, it triggers a woman's desire to prove herself superior and win your affection. She becomes consumed by thoughts of surpassing her rival. The art of detachment, my friends, is a powerful tool. It's all about not being too available and not showering excessive attention. At times, act aloof and leave her wondering about your emotions and intentions. When you're unpredictable, when she can't fully comprehend your feelings, she becomes fixated on unraveling your enigma. She'll be constantly thinking about you, trying to decipher every move you make. Emotional investment balance. Here's a crucial principle that many guys fail to grasp. Low emotional investment. When you've just met a girl, it's vital not to invest all your emotions in her. Don't make her the sole center of your universe. Instead, distribute your attention among multiple women. By doing this, you present yourself as a challenge. You show that you're not desperate for her attention or affection. This challenge ignites a sense of obsession within her. She'll constantly ponder what she needs to do to capture your focus. The mystery of uncertainty. Last but certainly not least, let's delve into the realm of plans. Rushing into commitment or prematurely discussing future arrangements can backfire. Instead, maintain an aura of mystery. Challenge her worthiness and keep her guessing about the direction of your relationship. When you do this, you become more alluring. She'll be thinking about you, questioning whether she has what it takes to make you commit. The uncertainty and intrigue surrounding your intentions breed obsession. And there you have it, guys. 8 potent strategies to awaken a burning obsession within her. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Utilize these techniques with respect, empathy, and always honor the boundaries of others. Until the next time.